Dividing decimals. When we multiply decimals, we move the decimal. I want to review so that way we know the difference in moving the decimal and when we divide the decimal. So when we divide, we're going to dance. The reason why I say dance and divide, because we're moving our decimal the same places, the same time, almost like a waltz. When we multiply decimals, we don't line the decimals up. You look at your whole numbers. You look at the numbers that you have. See here I have 25 and 5. And when I multiply these together, 5, carry my 2, 10, I get 225. Okay, and then I look at my decimal places that I've moved. So I moved 1, 2 places. I moved 1 place. 1 plus 2 is 3. So when I move it, it's like moving a house. I move out, and I have to move back in. My new decimal is 0.225 thousandths. Okay, when we divide, remember I said I'm going to dance. So I'm going to use the same numbers, divide by 0.5, but we're going to dance. Okay, so here I have these two numbers. Remember the NIDO, numerator inside, denominator outside. If I'm looking at this division, I could see division or I could see a fraction. So just to help you set it up, some of you have a hard time seeing how to set it up. Okay, so here I have 0.5 divided into 0.25 or 25 hundredths. We're going to move the decimal together. So if I move this decimal one time to get a whole number of 5, I'll move this decimal one time. Oh, what did I? I'll move this decimal one time to where instead of 25 hundredths, now I have 2 and 5 tenths. So I'm going to rewrite this to where I could see my whole numbers as 5 divided into 2 and 5 tenths. And then I'm going to divide it as long division. 5 can't go into 2. 5 can go into 25 5 times. And my answer is 5 tenths. We dance because we waltzed together. We moved the decimal the same places for my divisor that I did my dividend. Okay, let's try one more. We've got, okay, so I'm going to put my numerator inside if this was a ratio or a fraction. And here we go with my 900ths on the outside. Okay, I'll move this 1, 2 places here to get just a 9. And we can get rid of that. And I'm going to move, wait a minute, what happens here? Okay, you have to put a 0. Remember your 0 placer goes there, and this decimal, he goes right up top. So if I don't have anything to go here, nothing. 0 represents nothing, okay? And then we divide just like normal. 9 can go into 36. How many times? 4 times. Subtract. Bring down my 4. 9 cannot go into 4. Bring down the 5. 9 can go into that. And then I finish off with my 0.